Hey, welcome back. We're revisiting the whole seals thing because we had a little bit of a problem last time. But now that we have the correct ones, they fit, I've checked. Now we're going to take this groovy stuff called Bond or Honda Bond, gasket making material, and this funny little hockey stick. And we're going to spooge gasket material all around on one side of the crankcase. We'll put the two halves together, put some bolts on them, cinch them tight, and that will create the gasket between the two halves. So what I'm doing with the razor blade now is I'm chipping off the remnants of the powder coat. If that is underneath the gasket, it will make it so that the gasket won't seat properly and we will have a leaking base gasket. We've got our pistons and our rings. We've checked the end gap on the rings. It's all good. We don't have to modify the end gap at all to make it so that they fit. We're going to be putting the pistons into the engine onto the connecting rods. Okay, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be the end of our segment. But thank you for playing, and we will see you next time. Same bat channel.